We're the Grill Dads, and this is Eggs in Purgatory.
Get my shot. We've got our Mini Max set up to be a hot searing station, like a burner, and we set up the extra large Big Green Egg to be more of an oven.
Go ahead and chop up some garlic. I like to smash them first, release some of the oil. It actually makes it a lot easier to chop also.
All right, now for a chiffonade of basil. Chiffonade of basil. Gonna roll it like you're gonna smoke it. Now we're gonna finish this up. A little bit of Parmesan, chiffonade of basil, the olive oil, just salt.